Sweetie, what are you doing up? Hmm. You should be going to sleep. It's, uh, it's late. Hmm. You can't sleep. Hmm. It's probably, uh, it's probably all that coffee that you took. Now you got a hard time sleeping, huh? It's okay. Come here. Come into my arms and rest. Okay? Good. Come closer. Good. Sweetie, tell me. Tell me why you can't sleep. I'm curious. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me tell you something, okay? I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, the reason why is that people are jealous of you, okay? People are jealous of your beauty. They are, you know. Guys could be mean to you because you don't give them a chance because you're taken. And girls are gonna be mean to you because you're just beautiful and they wish they were you, okay? So, just to let you know, like, you're just amazing and everyone's jealous. I mean, I'm serious, you're super beautiful. I mean, every time you walk out in public, everyone's just staring at you. All the guys are staring at you, then even girls. And then they look at me and they're like, yo, how did a guy like me get a girl like you? You know? I'm serious, sweetie. It happens all the time. Like, I don't think you understand how much it happens. I mean, for example, the other day, okay, when we were at the restaurant and the waiter came up to us, and this is when you're at the bathroom, right? You were long gone. So the waiter came up to me, not us, I don't know, I'm tripping balls here. I'm so tired, babe. But he was like, whoa, bro, how'd you get a girl like that? You know, she's so hot. And I was like, by not being myself, you know? So, I think it's that everyone's just hating, and just let the haters hate, you know, you're perfect just the way you are, so you don't have to worry about anything. And just, you know, you're smart and you're pretty, so don't worry. You still can't sleep, can you? It's okay. Don't worry about it, okay? You know, I still remember the day we first met. I do. When I first saw you, I thought, wow, this is the prettiest girl in the world. I really did. I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the whole world. I really did. And I was like so nervous to come up and talk to you. I was scared, I was frightened. You know, I never seen anyone so beautiful before. That's why I was so scared. But I knew. And I knew I had to talk to you, so I mustered up the courage to go and talk to you. And as I was walking towards you, my palms were sweaty. My heart was like racing. I was so scared, but I did it. I did it anyways, and I went up to you and I said hi. And I remember how you looked at me. You looked at me like I was disgusting, like, who is this man and how dare he comes up to me? I'm just kidding. I think you were just shocked. But yeah, I'm glad. Glad I went up to you and I made small talk. And when I asked you out, I'm surprised. I'm surprised that you said yes. And I think that was the happiest moment of my life. Alright, sweetie. It's time for you to sleep, okay? It's getting late. Alright? Good night, my little princess. Good night, my little honeydew. Good night, my little avocado. Good night, my little teddy bear. Good night, my little grasshopper. Okay? Alright? Go to sleep now, okay, sweetie? Good night, my little princess. No, sweetie, you're not sleeping. What's wrong? You're hungry. Okay. Okay, I can make you some food. We have a lot of stuff in the freezer. I mean, last time we checked, we had pasta, lasagna, Alfredo, yeah, like these burrito things called chimichangas. We have frozen corn dogs. Those are good. We have frozen hamburgers. Those are also good. We have ice cream, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and matcha. You want the lasagna? Yeah. I can make that lasagna for you. Give me 1 second, okay? Give me 1 second. Here you go, sweetie. I got you some food, okay? Here you go, eat up. There you go. Okay. Scoot over a bit because I want to cuddle with you. You know, you have the most beautiful eyes in the world. I'm serious. Your eyes are really, really something special. I mean, I'm not telling you this just to impress you or anything. I just happen to notice them. I mean, I've always noticed them. It's just that sometimes, your eyes, they sparkle. They do. Especially when you talk about something you love. Sometimes it can be kind of distracting, but I don't mind it. I mean, honestly, who wouldn't get lost in your eyes? I mean, I do. all the time. I do. And sometimes when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow, your eyes glow. You have this unique beauty that I can't help notice. But honestly, sweetheart, you should be really, really careful. Because with eyes like those, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. And your lips. You got the most beautiful lips in the world. They are. Your lips are really, really beautiful. There's just something about your lips that just draws me in. Especially when you smile. You light up the whole room. And it feels like everything fades away. And it's just me and you. And it makes me feel so lucky. So lucky to be with you. It really does. And when you speak, I can listen to you for hours. Your voice, combined with the way your lips move, it's just so mesmerizing. And it makes everything you say feel so special. You know, I really do appreciate you as a whole. And your lips are now just beautiful. They hold so much warmth and kindness that it makes it so comforting to be close to you. I know you don't hear this from me often, but you are amazing. Inside and out. And your lips. Your lips are just a part of that. And your hair. I just love brushing your hair behind your ears like this. I mean, your hair is beautiful, sweetie. It's so soft and, you know, it's beautiful. And I love the way it shines in the light. You know, it just glows. Like, your hair just kind of frames your face perfectly. And I love the way how your hair feels between my fingers. Feels so silky and smooth, you know? And sometimes when you let your hair down, it's like a whole brand new side of you comes out. You really do make beauty look so effortless. I'm so lucky to be with you, you know? I am. And in your face, all this just kind of makes up your face. I mean, you got the most beautiful face in the whole world. You really do. Every time I look at you, you just light up my world and you just make my day brighter. Even if I'm having the worst day ever. And I love